Now I shall show you a little about your account setting. Since you have logged in Wix.com for the first time, here is where you can check on your account. So there are so many other options here. For the moment, we just look into our account settings. Here we may need to set a password for the first time. So this password is for your Wix account. Don't retype your Google ID password over here. Okay, so here I am putting a password. I repeat the password and I save the password. So now I log into Wix.com with my Google ID. When I want to change any thing in the account settings, I need to use the Wix.com password which I have created just now. So if you can see here, the account name by default, it is my Google ID, which was aradana.net. So Wix.com has taken it without the dot. So here is my email which I used. So here what I wish to show in here is that if you want to change your account name, you can do that here, because your account name determine your website address. So in this case, I have aradana.wixsite.com. aradananet.wixsite.com. So which I think I want to change. So I key in the password which I created just now, and this time I just try to get Aradana as my new account name without the net. So I try to save. The account has been taken. So I may try some other name, maybe Cool Violet. Okay, so I'll try Cool Violet and try to click on save. This time I got the name Cool Violet. So as I go back to Wix.com, which is the dashboard, if I look at the site again, so this time the site name has been changed to coolviolet.wixsite.com. So this is something cool about Wix.com, which you may want to change your account name.